Surah Fatiha, the opening. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 7 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
All praise is for Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
The master of the day of recompense.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
We worship you alone and we only seek your help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us onto the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have earned your wrath, nor of those who have gone astray.